This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome. New York just made history. Governor Kathy Hochul signed the nation's first statewide data center moratorium, and it's a massive moment for AI policy. Here's what's happening. Hyperscale data centers, the massive facilities that power AI training and inference, can't set up shop in New York for up to a year. This is huge because New York is traditionally a tech hub, right? But the state legislature decided enough is enough. They're concerned about energy consumption, water usage, and the strain these facilities put on local infrastructure. Think about it. These data centers are power-hungry monsters. They consume enormous amounts of electricity and water, resources that communities desperately need. The moratorium gives New York time to develop proper regulations and understand the real impact before allowing more facilities to operate. This could spark a domino effect. Other states are watching closely. If New York's approach works, expect similar legislation across the country. Tech companies aren't thrilled, obviously. They need these data centers to build and deploy AI models. But this is democracy in action. Communities protecting their resources while innovation continues elsewhere. The moratorium lasts up to a year, which gives policymakers time to craft thoughtful regulations that balance progress with environmental responsibility. Now let's talk about something that affects millions of people daily. Your iPhone. Apple just released the iOS 27 public beta, and Siri's AI capabilities are genuinely impressive. We've been testing it since early June, and the improvements are remarkable. Here's what's different. Siri now understands context way better. You can have natural conversations without repeating yourself constantly. It's less robotic, more human-like. The new operating system integrates on-device AI processing, which means faster responses and better privacy. Your data stays on your phone. Apple's focusing on practical features, not flashy gimmicks. Want to organize your photos? Siri does it instantly. Need to draft an email? It helps you write naturally. The AI understands your habits, your preferences, your communication style. It's personalization at a level we haven't seen before. Battery life is solid, too, which is critical for AI features running locally. The public beta rollout means regular users can test it now, and feedback is overwhelmingly positive. This is Apple doing AI right, making it useful, accessible, and respectful of privacy. If you've got an iPhone, you should definitely try iOS 27. Video generation just got a serious funding boost. PixVerse, an innovative startup, just raised $439 million, and their valuation surpassed $2 billion. That's insane growth. With this capital, they're expanding their world model technology and reaching customers globally. Let's break this down. World models are AI systems that understand how the physical world works. They can generate realistic videos by understanding physics, motion, and causality. PixVerse's technology is exceptional. They're competing with major players like OpenAI and Google, but they're carving their own path. The funding signals investor confidence in video generation technology. Venture capitalists believe this market will explode. PixVerse plans to scale operations, improve their models, and expand internationally. This is exactly how AI innovation happens. Ambitious startups push boundaries, attract investment, and accelerate progress. Here's breaking news. Anthropic is localizing Claude pricing for India. This is massive because India represents Anthropic's biggest market outside the United States. Claude users in India now see subscription plans in Indian rupees, making the service more accessible and affordable. This move demonstrates Anthropic's commitment to global expansion. Localized pricing removes friction. People don't want to deal with currency conversions and international payment complications. By offering rupee-denominated plans, Anthropic makes Claude a no-brainer for Indian developers, businesses, and researchers. India's tech talent is world-class, and they deserve accessible tools. This pricing strategy could unlock enormous growth in the Indian market. Finally, security researchers discovered something brilliant. Defenders are weaponizing prompt injection against hackers. It's called context bombing, and it tricks AI hacking agents into shutting down before causing damage. Defenders turned an attack method into a defensive tool. This is next-level thinking. Thanks for watching AI News 5 Minutes. We covered New York's data center moratorium, iOS 27's impressive Siri improvements, PixVerse's billion-dollar valuation, Anthropic's India expansion, and defensive AI security innovations. The AI landscape is shifting rapidly. Stay informed. Stay curious. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.